Is Sharp TV a good brand? Let's evaluate its reputation. Sharp is a well-established brand with a long history of innovation in the TV industry, including pioneering LCD technology. Known for affordability and reliability, Sharp TVs are a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Many models offer decent picture quality, smart features, and modern resolutions like 4K, making them suitable for everyday use. However, compared to premium brands like Samsung, Sony, or LG, Sharp TVs may lack advanced features, sleek designs, or cutting-edge performance. While they might not appeal to tech enthusiasts or those seeking top-tier quality, Sharp remains a practical option for casual viewers who prioritize value for money. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills TV, Sharp is a good brand, but it depends on your expectations and budget. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.